How to use QuickView to see balance without fully logging in on First Ontario. Hey guys, today we'll walk you through a quick guide on using QuickView to check your balances instantly with the First Ontario mobile app. First thing you have to do is just download the First Ontario mobile banking app, and once you log in with your member number or personal access code, next you need to go to the settings menu inside the app and look for the option called QuickView. Go to Preferences or Account Preferences and select the Quick View or Quick Glance settings. Find and select the option for Quick View, and you can just turn on the feature. Use the toggle switch to enable the feature, and then you can select accounts if applicable. So if you have multiple accounts, you could just go ahead and select which account's balance you want to show. And for security reasons, QuickView only shows your balances. It does not allow any transfers, bill payments, and other sensitive actions without logging in fully. If you want to turn it off later, you just return to the same settings. Go to Settings, Preferences, or Account View, and then just turn off the QuickView. That's it. You've successfully set up the QuickView in the First Ontario app to see your balances instantly. Don't forget to hit the like button down below, share the video with your friends, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.